Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to look at the top posts from Reddit's Tonsil Stone forum over the past year. While you check out some clips, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Tonsil stones are calcifications of debris in the tonsil crypts. They have a strong smell as a result of sulfur-producing bacteria within them. I recommend carefully removing them with a tonsil stone removal tool like this, as they can be uncomfortable and smelly. A water pick can also dislodge them. I'll put a link to my favorite professional kit in the links below, and I'll also put some information at the end of the video about them as well. You can also have tonsil stones removed by a medical professional. However, it is surprising how many doctors don't know what to do with these stones. So what would you like to see next? Salivary stones or navel stones? Leave a comment below and help us pick a future video. See you next time. Hey folks, if you get tonsil stones, then you need a lighted medical pick coupled with a dental irrigator. The lighted pick can quickly, safely, and efficiently remove tonsil stones. The link below includes the best tonsil stone removal tool, an extra set of batteries, 3 heads of various sizes, a dental irrigator, a 10-pack of nitrile gloves, and a case to put it in. These are hand inspected and shipped from the USA. Don't be fooled by cheap Chinese knockoffs. So you get the irrigator, the lighted medical pick, gloves, batteries, and a case, all for under $15. And we'll put an Amazon link in the description below.